Hello everyone. So I just got my new lens, the VP Vision Prime 1 from SIRUI, and I got the 3 lenses package, and they came in this box. Pretty cool. So let's do the unboxing, and I won't do the changing of the lens attachment because it will take a bit of time and maybe it's a bit boring, but let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so some literature here, and they show you the lens. These are stickers. Okay, 24, 24, 35, 35, and what is it, 50 and 50. Okay, I'm not sure what's this for. The warranty card, good to check it out, this one later on. Not sure what is this. Some pouch, something like that, or to clean it, not sure, I have to check, maybe it's to clean, yeah. Okay, some salt and stuff, and let's unpackage this guy first. These are the tools to change the attachment. So there should be, okay, I'm not sure, okay, here. So it should be the screwdriver, screws, and all that kind of stuff. Probably backup. And then what else? And these are the lenses, okay? So let's open one. Opa, okay. Oh, first of all, they're really small and light. Okay. That's one of the reasons I got it. I got them because they are very light. Let me move the plastic in. This is the 50 millimeter. They're very, very light and very, very compact, which are pretty cool. The throw here feels like a bit. It's good. It's good. Yeah. And the attachment, I think, is a E-mount. So in the back here, they have the labeling of the attachment: E-mount, L-mount, Z-mount, and RF mount. Okay. So that's the key feature. With the lens, you get all the attachment, which it's cool if you have multiple cameras with multiple different attachment mounts, of course. But in my case, I use only L lens, so I would have preferred to save some money and have just the L mount, and then if in any case, if I wanna sell it or I change my cameras, I would buy the mount that I needed, because I will never use these mounts anytime soon. So I'm not planning to. So I will have this for forever, I guess. So the lenses are really, really nice, very compact. I picked the gray and orange labeling. So there are 2 colors, black and gray. I picked the gray one. But the cool part of this is that the weight of each single lens is pretty close to each other. I think it's 20 grams, about the difference between these lenses, which means that if you use a gimbal, you don't have to recalibrate for each lens, or each time you change a lens to another one. And then the other thing, they weigh 600 grams, so on average, okay? Some is just above 600 and the other ones are just below. So the height of this is 110 millimeter. The thread for the inside here is 67, and the focus distance is 0.26, 0.3 and 0.43, and is T1.4 stops, so super fast, full frame of course, and the throw here is 270 degrees, okay, and it's very nice, very nice, yeah, very nice. And that's it. So it has 4 mounts, different mounts attachment. I will use the L mount for my Pyxis Pyxis 12K. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention is that the only thing that I don't see is they should have put a how you say, a focus length here. For example, this is the 50 millimeter, okay? There's no sign here that it's 50 millimeter. In the back, it says it's the E mount, okay? That you, when you detach this one will stay with it. But on top of here, when you put it back, it doesn't say 50 millimeter. So you have to take it out and check it out. So they should have put the labeling. So I'm going to put some, tape or write it on top of it or something like that. And these are the mounts. So let's check it out, this guys. Hopefully it's the L mount, so I don't have to open the other ones. And yeah, so this is how it looks like, and this is the. Does it say? No, it doesn't say L mount or. Yeah, it doesn't say L mount or nothing. Oh, this sucks. Okay, so I have to figure out this. I thought that it would say which mount is on the cap. Maybe I can't read. No, but there is no E mount or. Doesn't look like. So I have to figure out that. Anyway. So, pretty happy to see. I'm going to test with the 12K to see how they perform, and that's it. If you're interested, check out the link down in the description, okay? I'll see you next video. Bye bye.